2016 Dodge Dart 2.4 liter right side motor mount. Here's a quick procedure. Steps: remove the engine cover. You're going to have to undo the clamps for the throttle body and intake. Remove the hose. Once that's removed, the coolant bottle will be sitting right here. Two 10mm bolts holding that in place. Then you can push this out of the way. And the air box right here, you can just pull that out as well. There's only like a couple of clips holding wires together. Remove that, pull that off to the side. On the bottom, make sure you use a block of wood, your jack, and lift up from the oil pan on the engine. You're going to lift up the engine until pressure is released from the mount. You're going to have 13mm long bolts in there. Remove that. You have another one on this side and one back over here. Remove that, and then you can loosen this 13mm bolt right here, and then the mount will come off easily. Just get the wire harness out of the way. To install it, just do the reverse steps and line up all the bolts, put the bolts in there, and you should be good to go. Make sure you tighten everything. Put the coolant bottle back, air box, air intake system, and the hose and the cover, and you should be good. Again, this is a quick tip video for a 2016 Dodge Dart right side motor mount. If you're facing any type of vibrations, steering wheel shaking when you're stopped at a stoplight, this should take care of it. Usually they go bad about 100,000 miles or so. So if that hasn't been replaced, easy fix, replace it. You're going to have a smooth ride. Thank you for watching again.